Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a very healthy and tasty salad, that is Rajma vegetable salad. This is super delicious and appropriate for weight loss. So let's make it. In a mixing bowl, I have taken some soaked and boiled Rajma. I have soaked this Rajma overnight and I have boiled it with a little salt. To this, I am adding some blanched carrots, some blanched beetroot, some boiled sweet corn, some blanched peas, some chopped cucumber, and some chopped capsicum. Now, Rajma is a rich source of protein and carbohydrates. It's good for diabetic patients too. The veggies that I have used are rich sources of vitamins, which is good for health. Now I am adding some salt and giving it a good mix. I have added some chopped green chillies according to taste. Now this can be skipped if kids are to eat it. I am adding a few raisins. This will enhance the taste of the salad. Now let's make the salad dressing. For this I have taken a small jar. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now close the lid and give it a good shake. Our dressing is ready. Now pour the dressing on the salad. At this stage, I am adding some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, and some chopped coriander leaves. I'll give this a final mix. And our healthy, super tasty, tangy Rajma and vegetable salad is ready. Plate it and enjoy. If you like my simple and tasty dishes, please subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks a lot for watching and goodbye.